Welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath SamFX YouTube channel, and this is Poco X custom ROM reviews. You can see this is a Google PixelOS version. You can see it's a latest build, Tuesday August 16th build. Version hasn't given here. Android version is 12. This is the latest security patch, 5th August 2022. This is the latest security patch for Poco X32, and it's applicable for NFC too. Flashing method is very simple. Just flash the 12.5.8.0 firmware and flash the ROM zip file, this PixelOS, and later format data and reboot to system. And I have been running the CPU throttling test. You can see that from last 5 minutes and 1 seconds and 2 milliseconds, it's throttled to 88% of its max performance, and values are maximum 167, average is 151, and minimum is 140, which is fine, but there is a little bit of throttling showing in the app at least. But in reality I haven't faced as of now. And coming to benchmark results like Geekbench score, you can see here very good score, 567 for single score, and multi score is 1778, which is really good in my opinion for this kind of AOSP ROMs. I have never seen this much high scores, especially in the single score. Even the multi scores are also very good. You can check out my previous videos. This wasn't the case in terms of Geekbench scores, and the kernel used here is Linux 4.14.198 LAUM kernel has been used. Because of that or what, I don't know, this ROM having very good scores. Now also checking the Antutu benchmark results. Also you can check out app opening time, how long it taking. It is very quick, and 3,68,664, and temperature raise is little bit higher, is 4.9 degrees Celsius, and battery droppage is only 2% during this testing, which is good in my opinion. The temperature is because of I kept auto brightness sensor turned on or a high brightness. Maybe because of that the temperature raise is a little bit higher, not as higher as some of the other heating ROMs. This is not that case. And safety net status, and this is mentioned as official ROM, before it was unofficial. Let's see, it get passed. You can use all the payment applications like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, Yono, SBI, whatever you want to use, you can use them. Now coming to dialer, you get this basic Google dialer, and you can see here direct video call feature is available, and call recording is also available, but it notifies that other person is recording the call, like that. And some of the basic apps you can check out here. I haven't installed ARM info. Meanwhile you can check out the download speed also. As you can see, it's quite fast here. I have Geo Gigafiber connection, 100 Mbps. It's pulling up to 90 to 95, which is fine enough. Even with mobile data connection also I have checked, it's working fine. And you can see level 1 certification. You can use all the OTT application in HD, I mean high definition resolution. WhatsApp, everything is working fine here. And this is a quick settings panel you get. As you can see, there is the auto brightness option also, and sync option, and in the edit option there are some options. You can see those things are fine. And wallpapers, you get this kind of wallpapers. If you slide down, it will get change, and widgets, monet engine customization. Very soon we are going to see Android 13 based ROMs for Poco X3 also. Stay tuned to my channel. And by the way, if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. If you want to see the such kind of videos, have a click on that bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like guys. I will be motivated to make similar kind of videos. And you get Google Go cameras, pre-installed camera here. If you want, you can use advanced Gcam ports. I recommend is Arnold Gcam. Greatness camera I was working, I want to make a video on that, but it has some limitations. But go for 8.4 or the Arno build, whatever I usually show in my videos. Watch my previous videos, then you can come to know. Now moving into settings, actual settings, you can see here in the battery and battery usage, you can see it has recorded a little bit of it. You can guess some of the battery life. The idle draining is also very less, what I observed within this 2-3 hours. I will update it once I'll use for a long time. And you get optimization profiles. You can choose for individual apps, and battery usage you can check out from here. Battery saver, extreme battery saver is given, reduce refresh rate, and off when charge. These are the options you get in the battery, and battery life is really good. And let me show you the charging animation right now only, because many people doesn't check out completely. You can see there is charging rapidly, and the face unlock is very quick. I can't show you right now. It is showing charging rapidly. You can use this 33 watt charger. If you want, you can even use 10-watt charger also to increase the battery life. And battery life I already made a video yesterday, you can check out that. iOS, it has very good battery life. And sound and vibration, you can check out all the basic things are available here. Pixel sounds and clear speaker is available. Me sound enhancer and hi-fi audio is given. Choose a preset type and scene type and even headphone type from here. Those customizations are available. And vibration haptic feedback is also given. As you can see, you can choose the patterns from here. That's good in my opinion. Into display settings, you get screen timeout. I will give it to 5 minutes like that. And adaptive brightness working fine. Dark theme, let's check out. No, it's not in pitch black condition. They should add in the upcoming builds. This is a new official build, so hence hoping to add the such kind of features in the upcoming build. Colors, you get boosted, saturated, keep it whatever you want. RGB strength also you can adjust, and minimum and maximum is kept to 120 by default. If you want, you can adjust, but I recommend to keep the same. Full screen apps, if any app the app is not playing it, you can choose here. And refresh rate per app also you can choose from here. Additional display features, I recommend don't use this, at least while playing the games. Disable that. If you want to use for watching videos and pictures, you can enable that, but don't use for gaming. Wallpapers and style, you get plenty of wallpapers here. You can see Android 12 style. Dark theme, themed icon, upgrade is given. Basic colors option is also given. Monet engine customizations are available in this particular Android 12 based PixelOS for Poco X3/NFC. Accessibility menu is given. You can just enable that. This is an handy feature. I'm keep on explaining that without using the actual buttons and scrolling the notification toggle, you can use those options. Security features, you get face unlock and fingerprint unlock, and that's how it is. I will show you. And security, as I said, location, Google Maps, everything is working fine. I will show you within a while that one. The security settings, system navigation into gesture navigation, there is no any option here, just haptic feedback option is there. Just very simple, but a little bit better than iOS in terms of customization and UI enhancement. But there is no, like, as you can see, advanced restart button is also given here also. Swipe to screenshot on single mode, those things are working fine, no problem regarding that. Now security features like face unlock, let me show you. As you can see, this is fingerprint unlock. As you can see, it's very quick to unlock your smartphone using fingerprint unlock. Now the face unlock, you can see it's very quick to unlock your smartphone using the face unlock also. As you can see, that's how it is. And internet connection and headphone jack quality, everything is fine here. As you've seen, the 33-watt charging support is there, and Google Photos unlimited storage is also available in this ROM. Let me show you the Call of Duty gameplay. You can see here the graphics of this particular gameplay, low and kept to max. Not one more feature will be available, that's not available here. And let me increase the volume. You can see here it's loud enough, and this is a very good replacement for Pixel Experience ROM. From long time we are seeing that Pixel Experience has become unofficial right now, and even this was also unofficial, but recent update has mentioned as official, hence we can use it this as a daily driver ROM for basic use. If you want like a core Pixel experience, then you can try this particular ROM. And many people watching my videos but not subscribing, guys, have a subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And BGMI I will be adding very soon. If it is available again, come back to Play Store, then I will definitely add that in my videos. The gameplay or any gaming ROM, I will definitely involve that. There is not a gaming ROM or what, but Call of Duty is very good capable in this kind of ROMs also, hence I am testing that. Apex Legends also I am trying to complete that very soon, up to level 8 or what, to play the battlegrounds. I'll definitely add that too. Lot more videos are coming. Android 13 based custom ROM videos are also coming very soon in my channel. Stay tuned for that. Someone is here, let me see. The gameplay is really smooth, guys. can see there is no lag whatsoever. I hope I explained everything in the video. I'll come back and definitely I'm going to try lot more ROMs with the BGM and also Apex Legends also. It takes a little bit of time. Definitely I will include those gameplays at least in the gaming ROMs as of now. And you can see this is a very good replacement for Pixel experience what we are going to see before. Now it's exactly as it is as the Pixel experience, just it changed as PixelOS. The developer is different obviously, but the ROM is very stable and all the features, the basic things working fine. Only limitation for me at least is the pitch black condition dark mode and the gesture bar length customization. If they add those two, it will be more than enough for me. I'll definitely suggest them to have this as a daily driver, and we'll meet with another interesting video guys. Keep smiling. Bye bye for now.